Welcome to this comprehensive guide on fitting your Wix website to all screens. As a website owner, it is essential to ensure that your site looks great and functions well on various devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. To start, log into your Wix account and access the editor. The first step is to understand the concept of responsive design, which allows your website to adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Wix provides a range of built-in features that make it easy to create a responsive website. Next, navigate to the Wix editor and click on the mobile icon at the top of the screen. This will allow you to view and edit your website's mobile version. Use the device preview option to see how your site looks on different devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. To make your website responsive, start by setting the site's width and height. Go to the Settings menu and select the Layout option. Choose the Stretch to Fit option to ensure that your site adapts to different screen sizes. Now, let's talk about arranging your content. Use the grid system to organize your site's elements, including text, images, and videos. The grid system helps to create a consistent layout that looks great on all devices. Another essential aspect of responsive design is image sizing. Make sure to use high-quality images that are optimized for web use. Use the image settings to control the image size and scaling on different devices. In addition to image sizing, it is crucial to optimize your site's padding and margins. Use the spacing option to adjust the padding and margins of your site's elements, ensuring that they look great on all devices. Finally, test your website on different devices to ensure that it looks and functions as expected. Use the Wix preview option to view your site on various devices and make any necessary adjustments to the layout, image sizing, and spacing. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a Wix website that looks great and functions well on all screens. Remember to keep your design simple, use high-quality images, and test your site regularly to ensure that it provides a great user experience on all devices.